That shit is hard.
But that's why hey, bro, they all the moms hopped on TikTok, bro, and they all like each other's shit. Like that's a niche.
No, it is. It is.
That's a niche. You get on TikTok if you're a stay-at-home mom and you're fucking outgoing. Get on TikTok and start producing some content on just how your kids fucking drive you crazy. Because there's fucking 10 million moms in this world, if obviously more, who are in the same position as you and are, they get a good laugh out of it.
Bro, I went to high school with a girl and she has I think 4 million followers on TikTok. And all she does is just post with her, and I think her daughter is Zeno's age or a year older, and then their son. And it's just they post about it's like dancing videos.
Yeah.
But 4 million followers.
That's wild. I tell my wife she need to post on social media too, but she gets so big. My wife is like, bro, if somebody's coming over to pick up a freaking toothpick, she's like, hold on, I gotta pick up.
I mean, that's nice. That's nice.
Right? But I'm like, no. She was like, well, you just be recording, there be stuff all on the floor. I'm like, people like that shit.
They really
I say because other people's house look just like this.
Other people's houses look just like
other people. I'm like, we got 3 kids. This house, we're spitting out a bad image when this house is always clean. Because at the end of the day, that motherfucker's dirty 30 minutes later. So
right, they're gonna
shoot
come
your content.
through.
Yep, shoot your content after all your Tasmanian devils done ran through the house, and fucking let everyone else see it, because that's how people can relate to you.
It's real.
It's real.
This morning, oh my god! So Zeno peed his bed. This motherfucker always pees his bed.
Mm-hmm.
We're working on it. Working on it. And this dude goes and he grabs a different pair of fucking pajamas and puts them on over his pull-up. And so now we are 2 pairs of pants down instead of 1 pair of pants down.
At the end of the week.
And he fucking goes in his drawers and pulls all the clothes out, and then there's clothes everywhere. It's like, dude, we cleaned yesterday.
Yeah.
And now we got to do more laundry. Like when I was doing 75 hard and Kalani was doing 75 hard and this kid was still pissing the bed.
That's a lot of laundry.
But that's a lot of laundry.
Jason just posted about that the other day. He was like, that's the one negative with doing 75 hard was the laundry. And I started dying because you getting 2 workouts in a day, bro. Like, yeah, you're going through it like crazy.
Bro, and Kalani doesn't let me do the laundry because I've ruined a lot of clothes. I don't know what I do wrong, but I do it. I throw in the Tide Pods and all of a sudden shit shrunk. Maybe there's stains I don't know. But
how you shrinking clothes?
I don't know, dude. I do the laundry. I'll do the laundry. Yeah, it's fine. And then
I leave pins in my pocket, my little Pilot G2s, my blue ones. Yeah, so I always get in trouble. Or a chapstick. I get in trouble for that stuff.
I think Kalani empties out all my pockets. I am the shittiest house person ever. My mom was amazing, bro.
I be trying, bro. I be trying.
She'd be like,
did you leave something? That's for that chapstick.